Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to change subject of a question which involves two fractions, just like the question showed here. So if you can see that in this question the two fractions, the denominator part is different, just like here is h and k, right? So when you want to solve a question like this, the first step that you should do is to make the denominator same. So how do you do that? Is, for example, here I compare the two. I have h here and I have k here, so I want that both of them have h and k both, right? So with the first fraction I can multiply the lower part with k, but can I just randomly add anything like that? No, right? So what you do is that you add in a way that you can directly simplify here. For example, k over k is 1, so technically I did not add anything, right? So the same way I will add h over h on this side, and then continue with the question, right? So then you just multiply them, hk, and then you have your denominator, which is same, h and k, as you can see here now, right? Once you're done here, then once the denominator is same, you can just combine the fractions and write down the top parts, the numerator parts, just like how they were shown in the previous step. And at this step it should be easy now. You change this, hk is dividing here, so you change side and you multiply it to this side, or the other way to put it is you multiply hk on both sides, which will eliminate this hk from here, right? And then it will be shown on the other side. So I'm supposed to make k the subject. At this point I need to separate the terms so that I am making k the subject, right? So I separate all the k terms on one side and I put everything else on the other side. So let's say I move 2hk here, and then I move h to this side. So if you notice the same signs are changed, so please make sure you remember that you have to change the signs when you're changing sides. Once I'm at this step, now these two terms have k, but then they also have other things. So at this point you're supposed to take out the common factor, which is k, and again, if you don't want to see it as a common factor, you have to take out k because you want to make k the subject, right? And then from here 3 minus, divide both sides with 3 minus 2h, so it will be eliminated from one side, and this is your answer. K equals to h over 3 minus 2h.